Hello friends, welcome to Bunny's Bites. Today we will be making broccoli, peanut and peas curry. This is perfect to eat with rice or chapati. You can even eat it on its own. It's great to have for lunch or dinner and it's my Tatagaru's favorite recipe. First, add in a tablespoon of oil to a saucepan on medium flame. In it, add 1 teaspoon chana dal and saute for a bit. Then add in 1 teaspoon urad dal and 1 teaspoon jeera. Saute these well before adding in 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, a few curry leaves, and 1 red chili. After that, add in a cup of peas. These can be frozen peas or fresh peas, both taste good. Saute these for a bit. Next, add in 400 grams of broccoli. Mix this until the pieces have been well coated in the oil. Now add in 1 teaspoon turmeric and a teaspoon of salt. Mix these until the pieces are evenly coated with the turmeric and salt. Put a lid on this and leave it to cook for 7 minutes, but make sure you don't overcook. As you can see here, the pieces have become soft and are breaking quite easily, so that means they have cooked well. Add in 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Stir well. Fun fact, broccoli is part of the cabbage family. After that, add in a cup of fresh grated coconut. You can completely avoid this if you don't have coconuts or don't want it in the recipe. Mix until the coconut has been evenly spread. Leave it to cook for 1 or 2 minutes. Garnish with a handful of chopped corianders. Finally, add in the peanuts. They can be salted or plain, but they add a crunch to the recipe. Give it one final stir and your broccoli, peanut and peas curry is ready to eat. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Bunny's Bites. Don't forget to comment below and press the bell icon for more updates of Bunny's Bites.
Yummy!